The C-5M Super Galaxy, one of the most powerful military aircraft ever built. Welcome back to Next Gen World, where today we're diving into the jaw-dropping capabilities, engineering marvel, and unmatched dominance of this strategic airlifter that has become the backbone of American heavy air transport. At first glance, the C-5M Super Galaxy is simply colossal. Measuring a staggering 247 feet in length, with a wingspan of 222 feet, and a height of 65 feet, this beast of the skies is even larger than a Boeing 747. It's not just about the size though. This aircraft can carry more cargo further and faster than any other in the U.S. Air Force's inventory. But what truly makes the C-5M a legend is what it can do with all that power and space. Let's talk about capacity. The C-5M can haul up to 281,000 pounds of cargo. That's about the weight of 6 fully loaded M1 Abrams tanks. It can fit helicopters, armored vehicles, missiles, even entire Chinook helicopters inside its vast belly. And not just one or two, we're talking about multiple at a time. Its enormous cargo bay stretches over 120 feet long, 13.5 feet high, and 19 feet wide. And thanks to its nose that lifts upward and its rear loading ramp, vehicles can literally drive straight through, making loading and unloading incredibly efficient. But here's the kicker, it's not just about transporting stuff. The C-5M Super Galaxy was designed to deliver those assets across intercontinental distances without refueling. With a range of nearly 5,500 miles without even touching a tanker, the C-5M can go from the US to almost any continent in the world in a single flight. And with aerial refueling, it can go virtually anywhere on Earth. Powered by 4 General Electric CF6-80C2 engines, each delivering over 51,000 pounds of thrust, this aircraft was upgraded from the original C-5A and C-5B variants to offer more reliability, better fuel efficiency, and lower operating costs. These upgrades gave birth to the M designation modernized. With these engines, the Super Galaxy climbs faster, flies higher, and delivers heavier loads than ever before. And it's not just muscle. The C-5M is a digital-age aircraft. With a modern glass cockpit, state-of-the-art avionics, and improved navigation systems, it requires fewer crew members and offers better situational awareness. The cockpit alone feels like the command center of a spaceship, packed with digital displays, HUDs, and automated systems that reduce pilot workload during long missions. Though designed during the Cold War, the C-5M has adapted to the modern battlefield. From supplying frontline troops in Iraq and Afghanistan to delivering aid during global disasters like the Haiti earthquake or the COVID-19 pandemic, this aircraft does it all. It has also played a vital role in rapid strategic deployments, such as transporting entire Patriot missile systems, Black Hawk helicopters, or even satellites and classified equipment. And despite its gigantic size, the C-5M can operate from surprisingly short runways for its class. It uses an advanced kneeling system. Yes, the entire aircraft can lower its body closer to the ground, making it easier to load cargo and operate from limited access airfields. This makes it a flexible tool not only for global military operations but also for humanitarian missions. To give you an idea of its operational might, imagine this. In a single mission, a C-5M can transport an entire combat brigade's worth of gear. That means dozens of Humvees, armored vehicles, weapons, and equipment, all in one go. There's simply no other aircraft in service that matches this level of capacity and range combined. The modernization program that created the C-5M extended its service life all the way to the 2040s. With over 50 aircraft upgraded, the U.S. Air Force now has a powerful fleet of strategic lifters capable of handling the demands of 21st-century warfare and crisis response. But the C-5M is more than just a plane. It's a symbol of logistical dominance. In modern warfare, logistics is everything. You can have the best tanks, helicopters, and troops, but if you can't move them where they're needed, they're useless. The Super Galaxy ensures that the United States can project power across oceans and continents at a moment's notice. Whether it's delivering reinforcements, critical supplies, or humanitarian aid, the C-5M is always ready. Its sheer presence on a runway is intimidating. It dwarfs almost every other aircraft around it. Watching one take off is an event in itself. The engines roar, the ground trembles, and this massive machine gracefully lifts into the sky, defying everything you think you know about aerodynamics. And despite being one of the largest aircraft in the world, it's shockingly agile. It can cruise at speeds up to 518 miles per hour, fly at altitudes above 35,000 feet, and still perform tactical descents and climbs when needed. Its durability is unmatched. It's been through war zones, flown through harsh weather, and carried critical missions in some of the world's most dangerous environments. What's truly impressive, though, is the human element behind it. Every C-5M is flown and maintained by highly trained Air Force personnel. From pilots and loadmasters to ground crews and engineers, it takes a dedicated team to keep these aircraft flying and ready. And they do it with precision, skill, and pride. Even in an age of stealth fighters and high-tech drones, the importance of heavy airlift like the C-5M cannot be overstated. It remains a silent giant, crucial, dependable, and absolutely vital to global operations. Whether you see it landing on a remote airstrip or parked at a major airbase, you're looking at a piece of engineering history that continues to shape the future. So the next time you think of raw power in aviation, don't just think about speed or weapons. Think about reach. Think about logistics. Think about the C-5M Super Galaxy, because sometimes the real muscle behind a mission isn't the fighter jets in the sky, but the giant in the background making sure they got there in the first place. Thanks for watching Next Gen World. If you're fascinated by the marvels of military technology, engineering breakthroughs, and the future of air power, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more awesome content, and drop a comment below about which aircraft or military system you'd like us to explore next. Until then, stay curious and stay powerful.